Hello, my friend. Welcome to the shadowing practice. From now on, repeat each sentence I say. This practice will help you improve your speaking. If you enjoy this video, you can check my other lessons later. And if you want more tips to speak clearly, check the episode Slow English Podcast 7 Ways to Speak English Clearly. Now, let us begin the shopping story about Anna. Anna arrived in a new city yesterday. The streets were bright and colorful. Shops were open and people were busy. She decided to explore the local market. She walked slowly down the street. There were many shops on both sides. One shop sold shoes. Another shop was full of clothes. She stopped in front of a bookstore. The bookstore smelled wonderful. She picked up a travel guide. The guide had pictures of the city. She put the book back on the shelf. Then she entered a clothing shop. The shop was small but pretty. A young woman smiled at her. The woman said, "Welcome. Do you need any help?" Anna answered, "Yes, I am looking for a jacket." The woman showed her 3 jackets. One jacket was blue, one jacket was black, one jacket was red. The blue jacket looked too big. The red jacket was too bright. The black jacket looked perfect. Anna asked, "Can I try this on?" The woman nodded and handed her the jacket. Anna put it on and looked in the mirror. It felt warm and comfortable. She said, "I like this one." Anna asked, "How much is it?" The woman said, "It is $50. Anna thought for a moment. Then she smiled and said, "I will take it." The woman wrapped the jacket in a bag. Anna paid by card. The woman gave her the receipt and said, "Thank you." Anna replied, "Thank you. Have a nice day." When Anna left the shop, the sun was shining. She felt happy with her new jacket. Shopping in a new city was exciting. It was like discovering small treasures. On the corner, she saw a coffee shop. She decided to take a short break. Inside, the shop smelled of fresh coffee. She ordered a cappuccino and a croissant. She sat by the window. People walked quickly outside. Some carried shopping bags. Some were talking on the phone. Anna thought, "This city is alive." She enjoyed her coffee slowly. The croissant was warm and sweet. She felt relaxed and ready for more shopping. After coffee, she left the cafe. She walked to a big shopping mall. The entrance was full of lights. Music played inside the mall. Inside, she saw many brands. There were shops for electronics, clothes, and sports. Anna wanted to buy a pair of shoes. She walked into a shoe store. A man greeted her politely. He asked, "What size are you looking for?" Anna said, "Size 42, please." He showed her several options. The first pair was black and formal. The second pair was white and sporty. The third pair was brown leather boots. Anna liked the white sporty shoes. She tried them on. They were soft and light. She walked a little inside the shop. They felt very comfortable. Anna asked, "How much are these shoes?" The man said, "They are $75." Anna thought for a moment. Then she said, "Okay, I will buy them." She paid and received the shoes in a bag. She thanked the man. He said, "Enjoy your new shoes." Anna smiled and left the shop. She was getting a little tired, but she felt very happy. Shopping was not only about buying things, it was an adventure with small stories. After leaving the shoe store, Anna went upstairs in the mall. There were many bright signs. One sign read, "Electronics Sale." She decided to go inside. The shop was full of phones and headphones. She picked up a pair of wireless headphones. They were black and lightweight. Anna asked the seller, "Can I test these?" He smiled and said, "Of course." She put them on and played a short song. The sound was clear and powerful. Anna said, "These sound great." Then she looked at the price tag. It was $200. She thought carefully. Finally, she put them back on the shelf. She said, "Maybe next time." She left the electronics shop. In the center of the mall, she saw a souvenir shop. The shop had many local gifts and decorations. There were small magnets, postcards, and keychains. Anna picked a magnet with the city's name. She also chose a postcard with a picture of an old street. They were inexpensive. She paid and put them in her bag. Now she had a jacket, new shoes, and some souvenirs. She felt her shopping day was complete. She walked slowly to the exit. Outside, the evening lights were shining. The air was cool and fresh. Anna looked at her shopping bags. They were not heavy, but they were full of memories. She thought Shopping is not just about money, it is about experiences. She walked back to her hotel. Along the way, she passed many more shops. She smiled and thought, maybe tomorrow I will explore more. At the hotel, she placed the bags on the table. She looked again at her new jacket. She looked at the new shoes. She looked at the small souvenirs. They all reminded her of the beautiful day. Shopping in a new city had been exciting. She was ready to rest and enjoy the night. Tomorrow would bring new adventures. Before you go, a small note. If you are enjoying this practice, feel free to like, leave a short comment, or subscribe. Also, if you want more tips to speak clearly, check the episode Slow English Podcast, 7 Ways to Speak English Clearly. Thank you for repeating with me today. See you in the next lesson.